a slew of ballot measures all talking about how elections work and whether or not we would kind of change the procedural rules surrounding elections, and those all uniformly failed. So the reciprocal ballot measures were 140 and 133. Those would have changed the primary systems. One was pretty pro-independent. I really like that. That was 140. That failed. But then the 133 would have made primaries even more partisan and required partisan primaries for everything, and that failed as well. Overwhelmingly, 77% of voters rejected the idea of lifetime retention for judges. So judges will still now have to be approved and retained by Arizona voters. That came about because there were 2 Supreme Court justices on the ballot, and there had been a campaign to have them removed because they voted that the 1864 total abortion ban would be in effect in Arizona. However, those 2 judges were retained, and Arizona voters will still have the opportunity to retain judges in the future. Ballot measure 136 would have allowed challenges to ballot measures prior to them even being passed, and voters voted that down. They don't want to remove any of their power to get things passed, to get law passed. Finally, there was a ballot measure that would have made it more difficult to get things on the ballot by requiring signatures, not just a number of signatures, but signatures from every single county, and that was voted down. So we've largely got status quo for Arizona elections.